Hello students, welcome to EduTech Karnataka YouTube channel. So we can go for fourth module. The subject is Environmental Studies. The course code is the BESK 508. So we can go for first question. Environmental Protection Act was enacted in the year of 1986. Option A. Which of the following is a NGO? So Narmada Bacho Andolana. So option A. Third question is economic security is measured on the basis of option D, all the above. So labor market and employment, work, job and skill and income. Socio-economic security in environmental aspects involved. So option B, welfare of the present generation. So fifth question, Minamata episode of Japan is due to the poisoning of option C, mercury. What is the primary allowable concentration of fluorides in a drinking water? So option B, 1.25 milligram liter. So seventh question, electromagnetic radiation can be caused to cancer. Option C. Eighth question, among the fresh water available in the earth, the percentage of surface water is about less than 1%. So ninth question, which of the following is not a part of the hydrological cycle? So option D, perspiration. So 10th question, the groundwater depends on amount of rainfall. The earth land. So 11th question, the earth land surface covered by the forest is about by 1 divided by 5%. About 12th question, 71% of the earth's surface is covered in by water. So answer is 71%. C. The term 13th question, the term acid rain was coined in the year of 1852. So 14th question, physical pollution of water is due to turbidity. 15th question, which greenhouse gases is known as a colorless, non-flammable and sweetest indoor and laughing gas? So answer is nitrous oxide. Option C. So 16th question, global warming could be effect to all the above: increases in the sea level, melting of glaciers and climates. So guys, I'm telling directly answers because of you have to study the understand the concept of question and directly understand the answer only. If you study the unwanted answers only, you can fail to your required answer. That's why you're directly going the answers only. So 17th question, each chlorine-free radical can destroy the following number of ozone molecules. So 1 lakh. So 18th question, acid rain has been increasing day by day due to industrialization. So 19th question, cancer and related disease are caused due to ionization radiation. So 20th question, the major contributes to acid rain are known as pollutants. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16th. 22 question, ozone layer thickness is measured in which the units? So DU units. 23 question, the equivalent of 1 Dobson unit is 0.01 mm. 24th question, ozone hole is said to occur when the ozone level increased below. So option A, 200 DU. 25th question, what is the pH range of drinking water? So D, 6.2 to 7.5. Normal average thickness of stratospheric ozone layer across the globe is around, option B, 300 DU. Which of the following have more penetration of water? So option C, gamma rays. 28th question, temporary hardness of water is due to, option D, carbonate hardness. 29th question, water without a fluoride causes dental activities. Option B. The organ food usually damages from the lead poisoning. So option A, kidney. So 31st question, global warming may bring about the following changes in the eliminate of the earth. So drought. Answer is option C, drought. Earth Day, it should be every year of April 22. Which of the 33 question, which of the following involves the children in the environmental awareness? So option C, Eco Club. So 34 question, which of the following is not a correct pair? Earth Day, June 15. The Karnataka State Pollution Control Board KSPCB was constituted in the year of 1974. 36 question. The Water means the Prevention Control of Pollution Act was enacted in the year of 1974. Option B. The Karnataka State Pollution Control Board was established in the year of 1982. Blue baby syndrome is caused by the contamination of water due to nitrates. 39 question. Important factor that causes a waterborne disease is leaching of untreated fecal and urinary discharges into water bodies. EIA means of environmental impacts assessment. So 41. EIA is related to all the above: efficient equipment process, resource conservation, waste minimization. So 42. Which of the following is a key element of EIA? All the above: screening, scoping, identifying and evaluating alternatives. So 43 question. Which of the following is a ill effect of urbanization? Option 3, loss of water bodies. 44 question. Acid rain can be controlled by reducing SO2 and NO2 emissions. 45th question. Which of the following statement about ozone is true? All the above. Ozone is a major constituent of photochemical smoke. Ozone protects from the harmful UV radiation of sun. Ozone is highly reactive. So all the above. 46th question. Greenhouse gas emission from the burning fuel in automobiles around C 20%. The required iron content in drinking water is specified by BIS 0.3 mg bar it. The pH value of acid rain was recorded in early days. C 4.7. Methemoglobinemia is caused by the contamination of water due to the nitrate. Option B. So 15th question. Stone cancer is affected by hard water. So 51st question. Maximum allowance concentration of fluoride in drinking water. So 1.25 milligram per liter. So option B. 52 question. Which of the following gas is not a concern to greenhouse effect? So SO2. Among all oxides of nitrogen, which one is responsible for the formation of acid rain? Nitrous oxide. 54 question. World Ozone Day is being celebrating on every year 16th September. Contribution of carbon dioxide in global warming from industries 75%. Option D. Animal husbandry may result in option C global warming. 57th question. Percentage of groundwater available in earth environment is 0.5%. Environmental impact assessment. 58th question. Both A and B. A is a study of feasibility of a project, is a study of biophysical characteristics of environments that may result from human action. 59th question. What is the average concentration of ozone in the ozone layer of the atmosphere? Less than 10 ppm. Option D. Which of the following device can be used to measure ozone in the stratosphere from the ground? So spectrophotometers. Who discovered the formation of ozone from photochemical reaction? GMB Dobson. Which of the following UV radiation is responsible for causing sun burns and skin cancer? So UVB. 63 questions. Which was the ozone hole discovered by 1984? 64th question. Which of the following chemicals are responsible for the depletion of the stratospheric ozone layer? So all the above mentioned. So refrigerants and foam blowing agents and propellants. So refrigerants. The Montreal Protocols bans the production of which the following of chemical substances? Option B. Carbon tetrachloride and halogens and trichloroethanes, CFCs. 66th question. Which of the following is the largest sink for carbon dioxide gas? Option B. Oceans. 67th question. Which of the following radiation of the sun do greenhouse gases trap? infrared radiations. 68th question, below which of the following pH is a rain regarded as a acid rain? So C, 5.6. Glass containers are generally not preferred for sampling rainwater. Why? So option C, glass container affect the pH of the rainwater. So 17th question, which of the following is her natural contributors to sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere? All the above mentioned. So 71 question, what is the pH required for survival of aquatic animals and plants? Option D, 4.8. 72 question, which of the following gases is responsible for the yellowing of the Taj Mahal? So option D, all the above mentioned, because of carbon, so organic carbon, brown carbon and black carbon are correct answers for Taj Mahal yellowing, responsible for yellowing of Taj Mahal. All the above mentioned. So 73 question, which of the following reservoir contains the most water? So groundwater. Excessive pumping is in relation to recharge can cause all the above. All the means the water table is a decline, the well to do dry, the cone of a depression to form. So 75th question, what water that is good enough to drink is called as a potable water? 76th question, which of the following can contaminate an aquifer? All the above. What is the health affects the effects of Excel fluoride in drinking water? So fluorosis. Which of the following techniques is used to remove fluorides from the water bodies? Both B and C. 79th question, the main source of arsenic in water are option D, both B and C. A is fluids and fertilizers. B and C. So fertilizers and industrial wastes are the main source of arsenic water. Which of the following, 18th question, which of the following disease or infections is caused due to poor water hygiene? So all the above. Leprosy, conjunctivitis and trachoma. 81st question, ecotoxicology is based on of chemicals. Toxicology. C, hazardous estimation in ecotoxicology is done based on bioaccumulation. Which of the following toxicity can occur due to single exposure? Option A, acute toxicity. 84 question, the most common target organ of toxicity in the CNC, brain and spinal cord. For what production and consumptions phase out schedules the Montreal Protocol has established? Option C, ozone layer depletion of substances. 86 question, the instrument which provides electromagnetic radiation of a specified wavelength or a band of wavelength illuminate the earth's surface is called as a active sensors. Option C. 87th question, pick up the correct definition from the following with a response to GIS. All the above. Which one of the following helps to identify the objects on the earth's surface? Option B, signature. 89th question, remote sensing technique makes use the properties of emitted, reflected or diffracted by the sensed objects. Option C, electromagnetic waves. Remote sensing includes the gathering of images. Option A. 91 question, GIS uses the information from which of the following source? Spatial information system. B option. Which of the following acts of benefits of GIS? So 92 question, maintaining geospatial data. So 93 question, among the following which do not come under the components of GIS? Compiler. 94th question, what does the abbreviation of GIS stands for? Geographic Information System. GIS deals with the which kind of data? Spatial data. SDI stands for Spatial Data Infrastructure. So 97th question, by spatial data we mean data that has a positional values. TIN stands for triangulated irregular network. So option B. 99 question, based on what the Kyoto Protocol set emission reduction targeted for the group of greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide equivalents. Option B. So 100 question. When did the Kyoto Protocol entered into force? 2005. Option C. When did the Montreal Protocol entered into force? 1989. Option C. Which of the following is the objective of Kyoto Protocol? So option A, stabilization and reconstruction of greenhouse gases. So 103. What is the full form of NGO? Non-governmental organization. Option A. 104 question. In which of the following sector NGO are playing in an important role? Option C. Forming the governmental policy. So 105th question. When did Greenpeace founded? So option D, 1971. 106th question. When Greenpeace opposes the use of nuclear power? Option D, because it releases a harmful radiation. 107th. Which NGO has the mission of conserve the lands and waters on which all life depends? The nature of conservancy. 108th. What is the full form of IPCC? Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. So 109th question. According to the World Health Organization estimation in 2001, which one of the following is the most vulnerable region for a rise in sea level? So option C, Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. 110th question. How climate changes leads to conflicts in vulnerable regions? By shortage of food and water. Option B. IEIA is defined by option A, the process of identifying, predicting and evaluating the likely impacts of a proposed project or development to define a mitigation actions to reduce a negative impacts and to provide positive contributions to the natural environment and well-being. So 112th question. Environmental impact assessment is a mandatory under which one of the following in India legislation? So option D, Environment Protection Act. Who are responsible for the public consultation process of IEIA? State Pollution Control Board and District Collector. EIS stands for Environmental Impact Statement. Option B. The Mahila Arthik Vikas Mahamandal was set up in the year 1975. Itai disease is a Japan was caused by consumption of rice contaminated with cadmium. Which of the following gases are main contributors to acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Option C. 118th question. Who discovered the phenomenon of acid rain? Robert Angus Smith. So guys, as well as the fourth model also we are completed. So most of the around 118 questions are raised in that fourth model. So you study the fourth model. If you need the PDF also I can send you. So please comment on the comment section. I can send you the PDF also. Thank you guys.